Hey friends, welcome back. Today I've got some valuable insights to share with you about sending money back to your home country from Canada. So, if you're planning to send money to pay off your education loan or to support your family, you've come to the right place. Now, when it comes to sending money internationally, there are primarily two avenues you can explore. On one hand, you've got established banks like CIBC, Scotiabank, and TD. These offer slightly lower conversion rates, but they provide a much more secure and easily recoverable transfer, just in case something goes wrong. On the other hand, there are third-party money transfer apps or services such as Remitly, Wise, and there are some others as well. While they might have a slightly higher conversion rate, the trade-off is a less secure transfer and the potential risk of your money getting stuck during the transfer, which could take months to recover. Are you traveling to Canada anytime soon? Getting a Canadian SIM card should be one of your top priorities upon arrival. However, finding a good phone plan can be quite challenging, especially when you're new to the country and in need of a SIM card right away. However, if you're in India and watching this video, I have a great news for you. There's an incredible service called Canadian SIM which delivers a Canadian SIM card directly to your doorsteps no matter where you are in India. And the best part is it is completely free. With Canadian SIM, you'll have a SIM card with you before you even set foot in Canada. And that's not all. For this festive season, Canadian SIM is changing the game with an exclusive Rogers offer of 60 GB of data for just $45 a month, which was earlier available at $65. This is a remarkable deal considering that it supports 5G data transfer. Additionally, there are no activation fees for this SIM, so you only need to pay your monthly bill. Rest assured, the SIM card you receive will seamlessly work with your existing cell phone, eliminating the need to upgrade your device or to commit to an expensive phone plan. Upon landing in Canada, your SIM card gets activated instantly, so you can call anyone right away with unlimited Canada-wide calling. Canadian SIM is powered by Rogers and Fido, the leading network providers in Canada. I personally use their SIM and let me tell you, it's been flawless. I've had no complaints whatsoever. So why settle for less? Use the link in the description below to get your Canadian SIM delivered conveniently to your doorsteps today. Let me share a personal experience with you. I tried a popular third-party money transfer service a few months ago to send money to India, and due to some reason, the transfer got stuck. I reached out to the customer service regarding this, but they were not able to help me out. They would just call me every day and retry the transfer, only to find out that it's just not going through. This happened for about a month, after which I decided to cancel the transfer and request a refund. But here's the kicker. I still haven't received my money back and it's been over 4 months. Their escalation team is trying to work on it, trying to send me the refund. The worst part is that I was trying to send the money back to India to pay off a big portion of my education loan. So right now, that big chunk of my education loan is still left unpaid for 4 extra months. And it is still accruing interest. This incident made me realize the potential risks involved in using third-party services to transfer money globally. While many people might not face such issues, it is still a possibility and it is crucial to be aware of it. Quick pause everyone. Are you dreaming of studying abroad but overwhelmed by the whole process? Eduverse, my India-based team is here to help you. Our seasoned consultants provide personalized support for most study abroad destinations, including Canada. And guess what? Most of our services are either free or at a minimal cost. So don't miss out. Fill the Google form in the description below to get started. And remember, your study abroad dream is closer than you think. After facing issues with third-party money transfer services, a friend of mine recommended me to switch to money transfer services offered by established banks in Canada. Since I already have an account in the Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce, also known as CIBC, I switched to using their global money transfer service to send money to India. The process is fast and reliable. And in case you're wondering, this video is not sponsored by CIBC in any way. I've just been using their global money transfer service for the last few months and I'm genuinely impressed by it. I've had a discrepancy once, but the bank contacted me directly to verify the transfer, and so they approved the transfer right away because they already had my information. This is in stark contrast to third-party services that often rely on approvals from participating banks. So in case something goes wrong, in that case, they don't have the same level of control. They'll just ask you to contact your bank and try to resolve the issue on your end. This is exactly what happened to me when I tried using the third-party service to transfer money. So if you have an account in CIBC, I would highly recommend you to use their global money transfer service to send money back to your home country. The reliability of the transfer and the peace of mind is worth the small compromise in conversion rate. Now here's something I found recently that I wish I had known when I made my first transfer. If you use the link in the description below for your first CIBC Global Money Transfer, both of us will receive a $50 credit in our account, a little extra incentive to make the switch. In my opinion, this is the best way to send money to any bank account in your home country if you have an account with CIBC. In case you don't have an account with CIBC, you can explore other similar global money transfer options that are available at other established banks in Canada. They might just save you from the headaches that I faced. Remember, it's all about making informed choices to ensure your hard-earned money reaches where it needs to in time. Luckily, paying off my education loan is not that bad. Had my family needed money urgently for an emergency during my unfortunate experience with the third-party money transfer service, the outcome could have been much worse. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you have any questions or experiences to share, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, take care and have a safe banking.